What's up, guys? We're here with Preston, CEO of SkyElements. Preston, can you tell us what these computers, antennas, and wires, all this is for?
We're here at the Ocean Reef Club about to perform a drone light show at this private Carrie Underwood concert. There's going to be 200 drones and it's going to be amazing.
Well, there you go, folks. We're out here, Key Largo, about to watch Carrie Underwood perform. We might get a little FPV drone action.
All the stars have aligned, it's our time to shine. Yeah, this is our moment. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it?
Are you ready? Get ready.
Are you ready for it?
2 minutes to show start. A minute 40 seconds. 80 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're going.